Hello, welcome to Magic Club. Today we are going to be learning something which is quite difficult to learn, but it's cool. It's known as the backpalm, where you make a card look like it's disappeared and reappears like this. So what you do with this is when it apparently disappears, it's actually here. Okay? So it's all in a motion of, try to get a bit closer. If you do it in slow motion, or without the shake, it's literally that, which still looks difficult, but what you do is you have to, so a more in-depth look at it. So you start off by first of all pinching it between these two fingers, your ring and middle, and your thumb. Then what you do is you curl them up to where you're pinching it between your knuckles like that, like Spider-Man, and your thumb. Then you wrap your pinky and your index finger around the card to make a fist, so it grips it between the fingers there. And then you just open your hand like that. And this is something you have to practice in different steps in order to get right. So you have to go like this, 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 and open your hand. Now, because I've done it so much, it's difficult for me to do it in steps. But what I usually do is throw in a shake. So it's noticeable when you do stuff like that, whereas if you throw in a shake, it looks like it's disappearing and reappear.